Whether it comes to preparation or for that matter, when it comes to anything in life, irrespective of what has happened in the past, irrespective of what might happen in the future, a person who invests his or her time towards their priorities now in the present moment will eventually emerge successful. Isn't this quite obvious? Yes, at the same time, this is one of the fundamental principles in nature. We're launching 2 new courses, crash course towards upcoming NEET MDS 2023, keeping these 2 months in mind, November and December. And also we're coming up with a new batch towards NEET MDS 2024, which is titled as Regular Batch 2024, starting from November. And the course duration will be till the date of your respective entrance exams. You can find complete details in the description box below, or you can even drop us a mail or check our website ptbdacademy.com. Those who are planning to take up crash course towards 2023, now is the right time to comprehensively revise all subjects using our resources. And those who are planning to take up regular batch 2024, this is the right time to start your preparation from scratch, as you have more than 1 year towards NEET MDS. So what can you expect from our courses? We provide you access to recorded lectures on our e-classes platform. Along with that, you will have access to our test series where you can practice thousands of multiple choice questions. And also we have Study Club, which is a group in Telegram where we post multiple choice questions for practice, and also we'll be providing you some assignments along with study materials. And we're providing free access to our Study Club for NEET MDS 2023 aspirants. Having said that, anyone and everyone can join and make most use of the available resources over there. You can always contact us through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com, or nowadays everything is an emergency, so you can even WhatsApp me at 9052674820. And for any further queries or clarifications, you can check our website as well, ptbdacademy.com. And before I conclude, it's all about hard work, consistency, and most importantly, belief in yourself. So keep these 3 factors in mind and success is all yours. Wish you all the best. Love you all.